Today, I want to talk about the 3 biggest mistakes that I see when people are running giveaways on social media. And if you stick around till the end, I will tell you about an awesome free resource that will help you protect your content and your brand and your business online. I'm Maria Spear-Allis, lawyer for content creators, and this is the Spear IP Show. Okay, so the first big mistake is accidentally creating a lottery. What the heck do I mean by that? Well, giveaways can actually fall under sweepstakes, contests, or lotteries. A contest is something that's judged based on criteria, like the best answer to a question or the most creative whatever. That's a contest when you have to judge the winner. A lottery is against the law in a lot of states. To qualify as a lottery, you need a prize, you need chance, in other words, luck of the draw, and you need consideration. What does consideration mean? Consideration means that to enter, you give something of value. It might be an email address, it might be a purchase. That's why a lot of times you'll hear no purchase necessary to enter. That's because they're trying to avoid a lottery. Okay, so tying it all back, if your contest actually is a lottery, like I said, it could be against the law in a lot of states. So how do you avoid that? Well, you either make it into a pure contest where you are judging people based on criteria, like I said, the most creative whatever, and you have to set out those criteria in your giveaway rules. Or 2, you give someone a totally free way to enter. I ran a giveaway a couple weeks ago, and in my official rules, I said that you could enter either by filling out a survey or by emailing me with the subject line giveaway, and that would count as an entry. Now, of course, you can give weight to different ways to enter. So you get 5 entries if you do this, you get 1 entry if you do this, no multiple entries allowed, that type of thing. Okay, so thing 1 is accidentally creating a lottery, which is against the law in a lot of states. Thing 2 is having no giveaway rules. You must have giveaway rules. Giveaway rules talk about things like how to enter, who's eligible, and a lot of times you will see for product-based prizes that maybe Alaska and Hawaii are excluded because the person holding the giveaway wants to avoid paying those Alaska and Hawaii shipping fees. So how to enter, who's eligible, what the prize is and what it's worth, how the winner is chosen, how the winner is notified, and any other miscellaneous terms that are essential to your giveaway. You'll also notice on Facebook and Instagram and many other social media networks that they require that you state that Facebook and Instagram or whoever is in no way affiliated with the giveaway. So 1, accidentally creating a lottery. 2, not having any giveaway rules. 3, not disclosing when you are getting something for free in exchange for running the giveaway. Yes, even a giveaway can cause a sponsored relationship that you need to disclose to your audience. If you are getting something for free or something of value in exchange for running this giveaway, you have to disclose that to your audience. You should disclose that in any posts. So again, wrapping all of this up, 1, avoid an accidental lottery. 2, have some official giveaway rules. 3, disclose if you are getting some kind of benefit or freebie or something in exchange for running this giveaway. So those are the 3 biggest mistakes that I see made when people are running giveaways. Hope that helped, and I'll see you next time. Hey, if you are a content creator, and by that I mean a blogger, a podcaster, or you have a video show, I've got a great free resource for you. Head to spear-ip.com/influencer. It's got 4 frequently Googled questions regarding protecting your content, protecting your brand, entering into sponsored relationships with brands, and protecting yourself when marketing online. It's a 30-minute audio training, like a little mini podcast episode. Again, that's spear-ip.com/influencer.